Okay, welcome to the final episode of the Audi TT. The car is sold, pending the replacement of the micro switch. Now this micro switch lives within the door mechanism in the car, and basically it detects then when the door handle is pulled. It then knows to drop the window about an inch. In this case it doesn't. And when you close the door, it will push back up into the rubber seal. So that's what's failed, and that's what we're going to replace. Okay, so now we've got the door mechanism off. We just need to cut the wires in half and then take out the micro switch, or the old micro switch. Just simply just remove that clip. And then you can see then the micro switch pulls out. Seems like it's functioning, but it mustn't be making a connection inside. Yeah, so it's just a case of cutting these wires now and replacing it with the new micro switch. I'll put it back together and then do the same with the driver's door. Okay, so there we have the new trip switch soldered in place. Put the shrink wrap on there, so we'll give it a nice watertight seal. So now it's just a case of putting it back together and test function. And pushing the micro switch in and out. Yeah, so I had to drill the holes a bit bigger, and then I've had to use my glue gun to make up the gap so it didn't push back in on itself. So the micro switch is actually on a bit of an angle, but that's worked out quite well, and now that should be functioning. Okay, so it's just a case now of I'll connect it up to the door and then simulate that, and we'll see the window go up and down. Alright, so I've connected power up to the door, and we'll be able to see now the window. As soon as I connected the power, the window dropped, and now as I close the door, or simulate closing the door, we can see the window goes up. Open the door, goes down, close the door, it goes up. So that is a fix. Just got to put all this back together now and then do the other side, i.e. the driver's door.